This is TX-1. This is gonna be the admin building. So as you can tell, we got our pebbles put into place. Should be able to supply 11 reactors for the XC100. Go ahead and take a look inside. So now you're standing inside the admin building, so you can kind of see this is going to be where the office staff will be located to support TX-1. As of now, we're going to cross actually into the process area. We're roughly 30 feet from concrete to top of metal decking right now. 2,600 tons of steel. You wanna go up on the roof? Now you're standing on top of TX-1.